Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. My name is Jerri-ellen. My sidekick is Harrietta. Let me show you. There's my sidekick, Harrietta. Hey girl. So I'm making blueberry bran muffins to use some of the blueberries that are in my freezers. I have a chest freezer in the garage, like a big chest freezer in the garage. What I do is I go in, I do my inventory, I check my list, see what I need to start using, and then what I need to start using, I transfer to my fridge freezer drawer. But now there's not much room in that fridge freezer drawer, so I got to start making some of the stuff. So I'm going to use some of my blueberries. So I'm making blueberry bran muffins for y'all today. I make muffins. Here I am, chitter chatter. I make bran muffins every week. I make muffins, sorry. I make muffins every week for my family, basically, to take to work with their lunches or to have in the morning with their coffee, whatever they want. But I'm just spraying those cupcake liners so that my muffins release easy. 2 large eggs. I'm going to crack the second one into a second bowl and then add it. So 2 large eggs or extra large eggs. I like using large or extra large when I'm baking. And to this, I'm also going to add 1 cup of milk, a half a cup of a vegetable oil, and I have a box of all bran cereal. I'm going to measure out 1 cup of all bran cereal and add that to the milk and egg and mixture there, and let it soak for a few minutes while I get my dry ingredients together to soften up the all bran cereal a little bit. How are y'all doing today? What's new and exciting? What's shaking in your world? I hope it's rocking good. And just going to give a whisk to break up those eggs throughout the mixture. Beat up those eggs. And just going to set that aside and get my dry ingredients for you all. So in a bowl here, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And I'm going to add 1 cup of white sugar, just granulated sugar. And I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of a baking powder. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to whisk everything good through the flour so that the baking powder is and sugars and everything is distributed evenly. And I want to get even rise on all my muffins, so I need that baking powder whisked through. Now I'm just going to add the wet to my dry. Going to start mixing all that together, and when it's fairly incorporated, I'm going to add my blueberries, and I'm going to add 1.5 cup of frozen blueberries I'm using. Well, I got them out of my freezer, but I didn't thaw them. And now I'm going to mix everything really well together and make sure that there's no dry parts in my muffins. I want it all, I want the mixture not to have any floury parts. I want it mixed well. Another thing I want to say, or want to bring to your attention, is how much I care about you, and I appreciate you, and I thank you so much for being here, because without you, this channel wouldn't be possible. And so long as I have people enjoying the channel and the recipes or the company or what have you, so long as I got some friends stopping by and saying hello and having a visit, I'm going to be sticking around. So I'm filling up these muffin tins. 3/4, you could go a little bit more, 3/4 of the way full, a little titch more than that. And this batter is just enough for 12 muffins. Now my oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. I'm going to pop these in the oven, and as soon as they're done, I'm going to come back and show you them. I'm just getting the bits of the batter that's left in my bowl and distributing them there on the ones that I think can handle it. And these are going to smell amazing baking up. So good, so good. These are very, very good. We love these muffins, so I hope that you do get to give them a try sometime. So in my oven, they took about 25 minutes to bake up. So check on them around the 20-25 minute mark and see if you need to go a little bit longer, because I am only baking them at 375. If you wanted to, you can up that temperature to 400 and bake them for 20-25 minutes. But I was baking them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, so around 25 to 27 minutes. And I'm going to get one for you and show you. I'm just showing you the toothpick test. You insert it in the center, comes out nice and clean, unless you hit a blueberry. Now, let's have a look at one of these. I can't tell you enough how great these muffins are. They're really, really good, so I do hope that you get to give them a try. We have power tools going in the background and dog barking and cats meowing, and that's why the voiceover today. But I want to break one of these open and show you the blueberries inside of this. There's not going to be a bite of one of these muffins that you don't have a burst of blueberries. And it was hot, but I had a little tasty poo anyway. But I really want to show you the inside. Look at that. It looks so good because it is so good. And I hope that you all have a great day. And the recipe is in the description box under the video, along with the link to a printable recipe card. Please come back again and share this out on your social media if you think people might like it. You take care, everyone. Bye.